Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Yuriduna liyutfi'u nurallahi bi afwahihim wallahu mutimmu nurihi walau karihal kafirun. Sadaqallahul azim. Dear brother, we praise to Allah Almighty who created us and showed us right path. Today we are going to discuss Dawa work in non-Muslim countries. Islam is second large religion in the world after the failure socialism, capitalism, communism and other man-made selfish system of life. Islam is spreading all over the world rapidly because it's a strong convincing power through manners and behavior about the life reality. There are many organizations doing very job and fulfilling responsibilities across the world. I shall try to discuss few sectors. Islam has been present in UK since 1707. Today, Islam is second largest religion in UK. In 2010, Muslim population in UK were 2.869 million. The Association of British Muslims claimed to be the oldest organization of British Muslim. The UK Islamic Mission is a national organization with over 40 branches and Islamic centers across the UK. In 2011, it was reported that UK has around 1 lakh converts to Islam, with 66% of them being a woman. In USA, Islamic Society of North America, American Society of Muslims, Islamic Supreme Council of America, ISCA, Islamic Assembly of North America are Muslim organizations working in USA. Muslim population of USA increased in 20th century and 26 lakh Muslims were residing in USA in 2010. Islam has become visible religion in Germany as of 2009. There were 4.3 million Muslims, 5.4% of population. And all over the world, there are many Islamic centers working all in the world. For example, Tokyo in Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, Boston, and India, Jamaat Islami India, in Sri Lanka, Jamaat Islami Sri Lanka. As it is all over the world, Islamic Cultural Center is very active and they are facilitate Muslim community and non-Muslim community to learn the Islam, to convey the message of the Islam. Islam is spreading in world. Alhamdulillah, a day will come, Islam will dominate, inshallah, wa kalimatullahi hiya al-ulya, and Allah's sayings will raise. And Iqbal says, नूर खुदा है कुफर की हरकत पे खंदा जन, फूंकों से ये चराग बुझाया न जाएगा। वाखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।